Okay, so if A, B, C are vertices of a triangle, if A, B, C are vertices of a triangle, then first one, which is depending on sides. Three types of triangles we have. One is what? Equilateral, isosceles, scalene triangle. You know already definitions, I think తెలిసి ఉంటుంది నీకు. Okay, equilateral, isosceles and scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral, what is the meaning of equilateral? Three sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to AC, then that is called equilateral triangle. Second, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, what is the condition for scalene triangle? Three sides are not equal. AB not equal, BC not equal, AC. Equilateral, all are equal. Scalene, no two sides are equal. And third one, what is third one?
Isosceles
Equilateral,
triangle.
scalene, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So here any two sides are equal and third side not equal. AB equal to BC or BC equal to AC or AB equal to AC. Any two sides of the triangle are equal, then that is called isosceles triangle. Okay, these three are depending on sides. So if given sides, by these conditions we can say these are either equilateral or scalene or isosceles triangle. Okay, if given sides, then what about angle? Fourth one, in this triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, A, B, C, if AC is big, if AC, if side AC is big comparing to AB and BC, then there exists more three, that is we will get more four, not three. Those are, if AC is bigger than AB and AC, then you will get first one, right angle triangle. Right angle means how much angle?
90
What is
degree.
angle? 90 degrees. Right angle triangle, then condition you know already, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square for right angle triangle. Second, right angle isosceles triangle. Right angle isosceles triangle. Right angle isosceles triangle means condition is same. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square, but AB equal to BC. But AB equal to BC. Here AB not equal to BC not equal to AC. That is right angle triangle if the triangle satisfying this hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. This is also same, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square, but both sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Like this, these two sides are equal, and this square plus this square is equal to this square. So since this is satisfying right angle triangle and these two are equal, isosceles triangle. So right
Isosceles
angle isosceles triangle. And third one, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse means less than 90 or greater than 90?
less than 90.
Obtuse greater than 90.
Okay.
Acute less than 90. Okay.
Yeah. Yes,
So
sir.
obtuse angle triangle means AB square plus BC square. Obtuse angle is less than, sorry, greater than 90. The diagram will be like this. See, like this you will get. This is greater than 90. This is A, this is
Yeah.
B, this is C. Then AB square plus BC square is always greater than AC square. If you add the sum of squares of these two only greater than comparing to this hypotenuse square. Okay, that is
Okay.
obtuse angle triangle. And last one, acute angle triangle. For acute angle triangle, AB square plus BC square less than AC square. The triangle will be like this. A, B, C. Understand? Sorry,
Yes,
this
sir.
is less than, this is greater than. See, AB square plus BC square is always greater than AC square. Here AB square plus BC square is always greater than AC square. Why? Because this is big here and this is small here. So these
Yeah.
are the types of triangles. So you have to know which are related to angle and related to sides. Understand?
Yeah. Okay.
Once
Yes,
I
sir.
can see from first onwards. So related to sides first. First one, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. So AB equal to BC equal to AC. Second one, scalene triangle, that is no two sides are equal. So AB not equal to BC not equal to AC. And third one, isosceles triangle, that is in a triangle any two sides are equal and third side is not equal, that is AB equal to BC or BC equal to AC or AC equal to AB. These three are related to sides. Now more three we have that is related to angle. That is what? Right angle, obtuse angle, acute angle. That is for right angle, you know, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. And for right angle isosceles triangle, same Pythagoras theorem, but two sides are equal. And now acute angle and obtuse angle. For obtuse angle, AB square plus BC square is less than AC square. Why? Because we have already, this is big, that's why this is only greater than. And for acute angle, AB square plus BC square greater than AC square. And that is the diagram. I gave you diagram also. Now, understand?
Yes, sir.
Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Here one example problem. The triangle with vertices A minus 2 comma 4, B is 0 comma 0, C 5 comma minus 1 is which triangle we have to find? The triangle with vertices A, B, C is which triangle? We have three types of triangles which are from angle, which are from sides. Here given points, I mean vertices, na, it is better to follow sides. Okay, and in angle
Okay.
also the relations we have with sides only. AB, BC, AC means sides only. Okay, AB means A to B distance, BC means B to C distance, CA means C to A distance only. Okay, so here A given, B given, C given. To find any one of the six types of triangles, we have to find what is AB, what is BC, what is AC distance first. I am finding that only. AB distance, you know, formula root over x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, 0, 2 to the 4, 4 4 is 16. Okay, root 20. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Next, BC root over same 5 5 is 25, 1 1 is 1, root 26. And AC, that is root over 5 plus 2 7, 7 7 is 49 plus 1 plus 4 5, 5 5 is 25 is equal to root over 20 40. 69 plus 5, 74. Now conditions we have. One is AB equal to BC equal to AC. No, not, that is not correct here. Three are not equal. Second one, the first one is equilateral triangle. Second one, isosceles triangle. Any two sides are equal. No two sides are equal.
No.
Not isosceles. Next, third one, scalene triangle.
Scalene triangle.
Different. So
Yeah.
maybe this is a scalene triangle. Keep aside. Next, third one. Fourth one, right angle triangle. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Not exist. 20 plus 40, 60. This is 74. Next, what? AB square plus BC square less than AC square 1 we have, greater than AC square 1 we have. AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now check here. AB square 20 plus BC square 26 less than AC square 74. AB square 20 plus 26 greater than 74. This is wrong. 20,
Yeah.
20, 46. This is 74. This is right. So
Yes,
here,
sir.
this is acute angle or obtuse angle?
Obtuse angle.
This is obtuse. This is acute. This is acute, less than AC square, na?
Yes, sir. Yeah, that
AC
only.
big gun. AC is big, na?
Yes, sir.
So this is obtuse, not acute. Obtuse. This is acute.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
This is acute.
Yeah.
These are the triangles. Greater than 90, less than 90.
90.
Obtuse, acute. AB square plus BC square is always less than this. This only big.
Yeah.
So this is clearly obtuse. And AB square
Obtuse
plus
angle.
BC square is always greater than AC square. So this is acute. So this is wrong. This is
Acute.
only correct. So what is the answer? In options, if given acute, obtuse, right angle like that related to angles, we have to select this option. If
Yeah,
given in
obtuse.
options, equilateral, isosceles, like that, you have to select this option. That is what scalene triangle is the correct
Scalene
answer.
triangle.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
5 problems homework. Own
Okay.
problems. You
Yeah,
can create
okay.
yourself.
Okay.
Okay? Related
sir.
to triangles. Huh?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Right. Yeah, next one. బ్లర్ అయితే లేదు కదా ఇక్కడ
మధ్య మధ్యలో వస్తుంది సార్ అంతే అది మీరు రాసినప్పుడు కనిపిస్తుంది అలా
చాలాసేపు వస్తుందా వెంటనే పోతుందా
లేదు వెంటనే పోతుంది
నెక్స్ట్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ 1 minute ఇంకేద్దాం now can you tell me what is the area of the triangle first of all to find area of the triangle we need how many vertices 3 vertices if one of the 3 vertices is 0
okay.
I mean 0 comma 0
Okay.
how you will find the area if one of the 3 vertices is 0 comma 0 how you will find the area of the triangle what is the formula we have this already God. So before that I am writing see A x1 y1 B x2 y2 C x3 y3 are the vertices of the triangle then what is the area of the triangle you know what is the area What is the area of the triangle?
Half into base into height.
Yeah. Correct. Bx2 y2 cx3 y3 are the vertices of the triangle. Then area A is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is the formula.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the
Okay,
area of
sir.
the triangle with three vertices. If given A, B and C 0, 0, one of the vertex is 0, 0, then the answer, the formula will be area is equal to half mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1. This only the formula, but in place of x3 y3, you have to write here 0, here 0. Here 0 means this total 0. Here
0.
this is 0 and here 0, x1 y2, and this is 0 now, minus into plus minus x2 y1. That is the formula.
Okay.
You can use this or this. This is direct. This is
Yeah.
it will
Okay.
take more few seconds more. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And we have in terms of determinant also of mod x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. This is also formula to find area.
Yeah.
By expanding this, you will get this x1 y2 minus y3 like this. And one more also, area is equal to half mod det of x1 minus x2 y1 minus y2 x1 minus x3 y1 minus y3. This is also formula det of mod of det. The determinant is inside the mod. Okay. And again area is equal to half mod x1 x2 x3 again x1 y1 y2 y3 y1. This is also det of mod of det. Okay. This is also formula to find area. That is also formula to find area and area. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And finish 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 problems, 5 formulas. And one more, if the triangle is equilateral triangle, then what is the area? For equilateral triangle, for equilateral triangle, area is equal to not half mod p square by root 3. I think already we have this is root 3 by 4 into a square, where a is the side. Yeah, this is equilateral triangle, na? Therefore, three sides are same. That the side is a. Then this is the area. And one more also, yeah, we have area is equal to h square by root 3. That is p square by root 3 actually, where h is height. H is height. If given height, this is the formula for equilateral triangle to find area. And if given side, this is the formula to find area of equilateral triangle. For all remaining triangles, these are the formulas to find areas. Okay.
Yeah.
Copy
Okay, sir.
చేసుకుంటున్నావా?
చేస్తున్నా సార్.
లేకపోతే మళ్ళీ రాదిగా ప్రాబ్లం. చేసావా?
ఎస్ సార్.
వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసేనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
Yeah. The triangle with vertices is 4, 3, minus 3, 2, 1 comma minus 6. The triangle with vertices. These are the vertices. Which triangle this is? We have to say.
The 3 point answer 1 comma minus 6.
1 comma minus 6.
Yeah. Okay.
So first of all, we have to find all sides, right? Distances.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. AB, BC,
AB
CA.
distance root over minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 7 ja 49.
Yes, sir.
B 2 minus 3 1 square 1 root 50. And BC distance 1 minus into minus plus 1 3 plus 1 4 4 is 16. And minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 8 is 64. That is root over 60 70 80. Okay. AC distance, and this is 1 minus into minus plus 3 4 4 is 16, and minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 8 is 64. That is also root 80.
80.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
options, first option, the first option here given an obtuse angle triangle. Second option, an acute angle triangle. Third option, right angle. Fourth option, right angle isosceles triangle. Here two
Okay.
sides are equal, huh?
Yes, sir.
This is
So
isosceles.
isosceles. Yeah.
But not given here in terms of sides. Here given in terms of angle. An
Angles.
obtuse
Yes, sir.
angle, acute angle, right angle, isosceles. This is the, I mean, options. These are the options:
Options
right
given.
angle,
Yeah.
isosceles, acute, and obtuse angle. So, first of all, this is not a right angle triangle.
Yeah.
Why? Because 80 plus 30, 130. This is not 130. 80, 80, 160, not 160. Again,
Not
same 130.
something.
Not right
Yeah.
angle. Options I am writing: first one, obtuse; second one, acute;
Acute.
third one,
Right
right;
angle.
fourth one, right angle,
Right isosceles.
isosceles. So right angle, not right angle.
Yes,
Fourth
sir.
one, this is not right angle isosceles also not
This is
correct.
not wrong. Yeah.
And then obtuse, acute. Now we have to check.
Yeah.
AB square plus BC square plus AC square. 50, 80, 80. Okay.
Yes, sir.
AB square plus BC square. I am finding AB square plus BC square. AB square 50,
50 plus
BC
80.
square 80, which is
130.
130, which is
Yeah.
greater than 50. I mean,
Yes, sir.
AC square.
80.
Sorry, 80, which is greater than 80. So,
80.
AB square plus BC square greater than AC square means
AC square. Acute.
obtuse or acute.
Acute.
Correct. Acute angle triangle. Correct. That is the
Okay.
option. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
11. Correct. This is na?
Yes, sir.
What problems చెప్తారా రాసుకో.
Okay, sir.
The points
The points
0 comma 8 by 3,
okay.
1 comma 3,
Hmm.
82 comma 30.
సరే ఎంత పెద్ద పెద్ద వాల్యూ
అయితే
ఓకే
చేయవా?
అదే సార్ నార్మల్గా చేస్తా సార్
82 comma 30 are the vertices of obtuse angle, acute angle, right angle. Fourth option lies on a same line. lies on a same line.
Same line. Okay.
One more. Very important this.
Yeah.
If
Okay, sir.
the points 0, 0, 3, root 3, P, Q, P, Q forms an
Okay.
equilateral triangle.
Okay.
Forms an equilateral triangle.
Triangle.
And Q1, Q2, this is Q.
Okay.
Q1, Q2 are the
Q2.
values of Q. Are the values of Q. Are the values of Q. Then Q1 plus Q2 equal to Q1 plus Q2 equal to 2 root 3, first option.
Okay.
Root 3, second option. Minus root 3, third option. 0, fourth option.
Okay.
So very important that is.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Remember. Okay.
Okay,
Next
sir.
question. If 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2 are the extremities of the hypotenuse, are the extremities of hypotenuse of a right angle isosceles triangle. Means this is A, this is C. Right angle isosceles triangle. Okay.
Okay.
Then the third vertex is.
Okay.
2, 2 or 4, 4. Second. 3, 3 or 4, 4. Third. 2, 2 or 3, 3. Fourth one. 2, 3 or 3, 2.
Second one is 3, 3 or 4, 4.
Yeah, 3,
Okay.
3, 4, 4.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Last one is 2, 3 or 3, 2, sir.
Yes.
4.
2, 3 or 3, 2. Reverse.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we discussed about harmonic conjugate.
Yes, sir.
Problems ఇచ్చానా?
Yes, sir. ఇచ్చారు.
ఓన్లీ సెక్షన్ వరకే ఇచ్చినట్టున్నా?
Yes, sir. హార్మోనిక్ ఇవ్వలేదు
కదా?
Yes, sir.
అవి కూడా రాసుకో.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Copy. The
Okay,
harmonic conjugate of
Okay.
the harmonic conjugate of 4, 1, 4, 1 with respect to the points. With respect to the points.
To the points.
A 3, 2 and B minus 1, 6 is with respect to the points. Very easy this is. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
AB given, P given, you have to find Q.
Q. Yeah.
With respect to the points is first option minus 4, 1. Second option 1, 4. Third option 7/3 comma 8/3. Fourth option 7/6 comma 8/6.
Okay.
7/6 comma 8/6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, P minus 1 comma 4, Q 11 comma minus 8 divides AB harmonically. Divides AB harmonically in the ratio 3:2. Then A comma B are in the ratio 3:2. Then A comma B are. Then A comma B are. రాసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ దాకా.
Yes, sir.
First option 4 comma 7, 1 comma minus 2. Second option 1 comma 2 minus 4 comma 7. Third option 7 comma 4, 2 comma 1. Fourth option 2 comma 1, 7 comma minus 4.
Okay.
Okay, ఏమంటుంది ఇక్కడ PQ are the harmonic points, harmonic conjugate points. This is A, this is B,
B.
this is P, this is Q. This PQ given. Divide
Yes,
the
sir.
AB harmonically in the ratio 3:2. Then A comma B are what? A comma B ఏంటి అంటే say by using section formula with plus minus. Okay,
Yeah, okay, sir.
you will get points. Yeah, this is about harmonic conjugates. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and different, I mean